In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for time blocking. Time blocking is a powerful technique that helps you manage your daily and weekly schedule efficiently by allocating specific blocks of time for each of your tasks or activities. Google Calendar is a versatile tool that can easily be adapted for this purpose, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. Firstly, you'll want to access your Google Calendar. Open a web browser and visit the Google Calendar site. You'll be prompted to sign in, so go ahead and type in your email and password, then click Next to proceed. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your calendar. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's navigate to August 2024 to set up some future time blocks. The interface is user-friendly, so simply click through to your desired month. Now it's time to create your first time block. Look for the Create button, which should be easily visible. Clicking on this will begin the process of carving out specific time in your calendar for a task or activity. After clicking Create, your next step is to specify that you are adding an event. This is because in Google Calendar, time blocks will be set up as individual events. Click on Event to start defining the specifics. For more detailed customization options, you'll want to click on More Options. This will open a page where you can dive into the specifics of your time block, including setting exact times and additional details. Now, let's actually add the time block into your schedule. You can manually adjust the start and end times for your activity, ensuring it fits perfectly into your day. Next, give your time block a title. This could be anything from Work on Project X to Gym Time. This title lets you quickly glance at your calendar and know exactly what you should be doing and when. If this is an activity you'll be repeating, consider setting it as a recurring event. Click on the drop-down menu to select how often you want this time block to repeat. Google Calendar offers several options, from daily to annually, or you can customize the recurrence to your liking. Once you've chosen the repetition cycle, you should add a description for your event. This is especially useful for providing context or specifics about the task at hand. It could be as simple as a reminder of what you want to achieve during this time block, or any preparation you need to do beforehand. Finally, don't forget to save your time block. Click on Save, and you'll see your new event neatly blocked out on your calendar. And there you have it. You've just set up a time block on Google Calendar. The beauty of time blocking is that it helps you create a more structured and focused schedule, making you more productive and ensuring you have time allocated for all your important tasks and activities. Feel free to adjust, move around, or extend time blocks as needed. Remember, the goal is to design a schedule that works best for you. Thank you for watching, and happy time blocking.